The beautiful thing about the Earth is that she really is a self-correcting, living, conscious being, organism. And that if given the opportunity, the environment can correct and cleanse itself very quickly. You know, there was the big northeastern United States blackout some years ago, and the satellite images showed the area around New York, New Jersey, that whole area. Within hours, the air that had been almost just filthy, could barely see, became pristine because the coal-fired power plant shut down. So the ability of the Earth to fix the problems is very great, but with 7.2 billion people living on her, like a few million lived in the 1800s with coal-fired power plants and gas engines and what have you, this can't happen because we're overwhelming her natural defense systems. Taking the biological analogy a little further, we call it a rapid decompensation in the ER, where you'll see people who, they don't look that sick, but there's an underlying problem, and they're going like this, and their systems are trying to maintain, and then they crash, boom, very quickly. Unfortunately, that's where we are with the Earth.